Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. So excited to have you here with me today. It's an extra exciting day because we have a brand new box to our channel. And you know, when it's a brand new box, we get extra hype, extra excited to share the news of this particular box. This one is going to be a lot of fun because it kind of focuses a lot about what I am looking to achieve in 2022. And that is a little bit more self-care. We all need to do that. We all need to really focus on, taking care of ourselves, loving ourselves. And this box has a lot of different things inside that can hopefully help achieve that. And if you go to their website, it is called mindfulsouls.com. This actually came inside a bigger box. It didn't come shipped like this. So it's kind of just like a basic brown box. And then inside is where they put this particular box, which is very, very cute. I love the look of this box. See that? And they have their little sticker on the outside that has their socials on it as well as their website. And if you go on their website is actually gorgeous. I love the layout. It is very user-friendly. They actually do have a store. So there's different crystals and different jewelry, different items for sale on there that you can buy in addition to the actual subscription box itself. If you are just interested in the subscription box, it is going to run you around $39.99 a month, which is fairly on point for a typical subscription box. The question they ask on there is, why choose their box? Well, they are claiming to be the #1 spiritual brand that aims at bringing about the happy side of you. They have gorgeous crystals, empowering jewelry, calming aromatherapy, which I love. We have it all to purify your mind, body, and soul. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave all of the items in my description area. So if you are curious about any of the items that are in the box, or you just wanna take a look at their website and see what they have to offer, I'll leave that in there as well. So let's go ahead and unbox Mindful Souls. Oh, okay, so here's what it looks like inside. On the top, they have a postcard, and it does include all of the items that are inside the box, which is something I love to see. I love to see a description of the items so I know exactly what is included in the box. They have a little card. On the back, it says affirmation for money. New opportunities to increase my income open up for me now. Really? Show me the money. I like to hear that. Okay. Then we have a little sticker here. It says, open your eyes, open your mind. That is cute. I like that. On the top is a 24 karat gold deep cleansing with collagen peel off mask. I'm a big fan of masks. I love trying different masks. And this one looks like it is infused with real gold that locks in elasticity for healthier and radiant skin. This is one mask. Okay, here's what it looks like. It says, feel an instant boost of hydration for your skin with a spa fresh feeling that will last for days. Only 15 minutes and you will reach ultimate relaxation and peace. The gold peel off face mask purifies, tightens, and smooths your complexion. This face mask is enriched with ingredients like vitamin C and hyaluronic acid to even your skin tone and leave your face feeling fresh. A face mask is one of my favorite things to do for self-care. If you take a look here, everything is kind of individually wrapped in little cinch sacks, which is really cute. Opening this one, let's just take this one first, right off the top. I love that they're individually wrapped in these cinch sacks so you can use them again. You can store them properly back in their containers to protect them. Oh, look at this. That's cute. I like that. So this is a citrine bracelet. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Definitely something I would wear. That is very, very cute. Okay, so it says citrine is the stone of light and happiness. Wearing a citrine bracelet strengthens your will, motivation, and determination, helping you go after for the things that you want. Citrine is also known as one of the most powerful manifestation gemstones because it activates imagination, bringing more creative visions and a positive outlook on life. I like that. I need this in my life. That is absolutely gorgeous. The next one here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Okay, so this one, oh, that's cute. Look at that. It's a little turtle. A little turtle. This is a snowflake obsidian turtle. Snowflake obsidian is also known as the mirror stone, and it's believed to reflect the evil eye energy back to the sender. Snowflake obsidian is associated with protection from harm and is said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality, and great patience. That is so cute. This one is tiny, I think. This is just a regular stone. It's a Citrine Point. See that? We're all about happiness here today. So a Citrine Point is believed to elevate optimism and energy to a place more able to manifest and accept opportunity. As you attract new possibilities, people, and energy into your life, prosperity and abundance will soon follow. In working with the solar plexus chakra, citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence, and endurance throughout the body and mind. Super pretty. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that detail in there, but that is gorgeous. So we've got the citrine stone point and the bracelet as well. What is this one gonna be? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is the Tree of Life necklace. Clear quartz is wrapped in a magical tree with leaves of amethyst and green aventurine. Green aventurine carries a strong connection to earth, while the amethyst improves concentration. To program the quartz with your intentions, hold it in the palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transfer into the crystal. The crystal's memory will download your intentions and help to manifest those goals. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. I haven't seen anything like this before. I mean, I know the Tree of Life, but look at that. Look at that. Okay, we have one more item left. This is the red Aragonite. I hope I'm saying that right, Aragonite. Ooh, this is cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. So red Aragonite acts as a stabilizing stone and can be helpful for those who have focused on bringing more harmony into their life. Meditating with red Aragonite can help to ground spiritual growth into the lower chakras, raising the overall vibration of the body. It helps to create a deeper connection to planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachments in the present. That is so pretty. That concludes the unboxing of the Mindful Souls box. What did you guys think? Let's go ahead and do a quick review, and then we will go ahead and rate the box. Okay, so we got the mask. We got the citrine bracelets, Citrine Point stone. We have the red Aragonite. We've got our snowflake obsidian turtle. The Tree of Life necklace, quartz necklace. Wow. All of those items, you guys, for a price of $39.99. Let's go ahead and rate this box. That's right. Mindful Souls, you are about to get your very first rating. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that surprised. Like, so when we rate the box, you guys, you know we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. We rate based on the variety of the items in the box, as well as the value of the items in the box as well. So we go on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, don't buy that box, or 10, yes queen, you need to buy this box. I love the description of all the items in there. The only thing that really was missing when I rate the box, you guys, is the values of these items, but I'm gonna look those up and I will post those in my description area so you can check those out for yourself. So let's go ahead, put our thinking hats on, you guys, and rate this box, all right? Drum roll, please. Mindful souls, you are gonna get your very first rating of a 8. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about Mindful Souls? Let me know down in the comment section down below what item in here is one that you would like to try. I'm curious. Let me know. If you enjoyed the box, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next video.